Hello and good evening, Pat, Barry, and Jay over at Perceptive Avionics. My name is Josh Nelson. I just got done talking with Jay, a little bit with Barry as well, in regards to getting you guys this video. So what I want to do for you in this video is kind of show how digital marketing can really help you guys start to boom your business. You just got done with this new website, and I agree, it looks phenomenal. It was a very good choice by updating the website. But I'm going to go a little bit more in depth than why having just a good website isn't good enough. As we all mentioned in our little conversation, we all could use more customers, more clientele, a larger customer base. And how we do that is by allowing people to find us. So we're going to go over what it takes to do it, kind of where you guys are lacking, and next steps from here. Feel free to use this video or any of the information in this video however you guys would like. Feel free to reach back out to us. But nevertheless, let's jump into this informative video. So we got your website. Like I said, it looks phenomenal. You guys did a wonderful job on this. The only thing I'm going to say about your guys' website is I do think it needs some more content. And why it needs content is because in Google's eyes, they think content is key. They will rank you slightly better for just content alone. The more content you have on their site, the more likely they're going to be able to index you, index you, meaning that their bots can crawl your guys' website and say, hey, this is a legitimate business. They're doing really well. They have all kinds of good content. Let's boost them higher up into our rankings so that way they get more business. So definitely need more content. So other than that, though, we can take your guys' URL right up top here, and we can take it over to a tool we like to use. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a generalized guideline where you guys sit for SEO or search engine optimization, similar to what we were just talking about. It goes over the backlinks, the referring domains that host those backlinks, as well as the organic keywords, and roughly how much organic traffic you guys are actually getting to your site right now. Organic traffic means people are just finding you because you're online. As of right now, it's showing roughly 0. I would guess maybe 5. Like I said, this isn't 100% accurate. But regardless, it's a good tool to go off of. And the reason I can tell you that these numbers are lacking is because we can compare them to some of your competitors. And like Jay had said, you guys don't really have any in the area. So I think you guys are in a great position in order to start ranking your guys' website and really be found quicker. But we're going to take some of your competition. We're going to use Skycom Avionics Incorporated. I believe they're over in Waukesha, Wisconsin. I think Jay had said the other one closest was in Green Bay. I can't find them right now, but we're going to use these guys as an example. So same thing, we're going to take their numbers and see kind of what starts to happen once we start putting more backlinks, more referring domains, more organic keywords into it, and what's possible, right? So once you start adding all of these up, the organic traffic starts to increase. And we can go over and over and find all of your top competition and figure out what they're doing that's working for their SEO, for their backlinks, their keywords, and how it's generating them more traffic. So that's some of the research that we would go in deeper. If you guys decided to move forward with us, we would really go dive deep and figure out a good detailed plan of attack strictly just for your business. We are not a cookie cutter business. We do not just say, hey, this is what we're going to do. This is what we promise you. It's a very detailed, in-depth plan of attack for your guys' marketing to see guaranteed growth. So that's a few of the things we can do. Another thing we can do for you is this right here, the Google Business Map Pack, or the Google My Map Pack, or the Google Business Profile. So when people search avionics installation in Wisconsin, this is a keyword we'd probably want to have on our website. You guys do not pop up. We had mentioned RC Avionics, right? They were fairly close. They don't have any reviews on them. I noticed you guys have a review on your site. Let's get one of these built, or if you don't have one built already, let's get one built and get those reviews on there. Let's just take a quick look here. The top few, I'm not seeing you. So you may or may not have one. I have to do a little bit more research on it, but I won't take too much of your time doing that. But definitely having a Google Business Profile and getting reviews on it, having accurate information, is going to allow you to rank in the top spots right here so people find you easier. That way, organically, we can get people to come to you instead of having to waste money on advertising. So that way we don't have to pay for people to know who you guys are, right? Another great way you can do that is with your Facebook, right? We're going to pull up your Facebook here and kind of see what you guys are doing on Facebook. You got your logo, wonderful, a name, a little bit about you guys, some contact information, that you're an AP certified avionics repair, all good stuff, right? Definitely having some more business information would be huge for you guys. But in regards to that as well, you guys, the last time you posted was July 14th of last year. So as far as the people on Facebook would know, is that you guys haven't even been in business for a year. And you guys have only been up for about a year. So I would assume this is right when you guys got going. You started into this right away, kind of let it go. I understand. Social media is tough to stay on top of, but that's what's great about having a partner like us, is we can have your back the entire way through while keeping the community as well as your clientele active and engaged in what you guys are doing. So same thing, getting reviews on this is going to be huge. I see you guys don't have any reviews currently. Posting more. You could run little ads or little promotions. Say, hey, come check us out, or whatever you guys want to do. There's all kinds of things we can do to get the community and your clients to interact with you guys more, to be able to find you and turn those finding people into actual paying customers who want to fix up their airplanes as well as their navigation, their avionics, to have a better and safer flight. So with that being said, I wanted to keep this short. I can't give away too many of my tips, tricks, and secrets, but I hope you guys found this video useful any way, shape, or form. Like I said, feel free to use it yourself, or feel free to reach back out to us and we can assist you. As I mentioned, we would love to be a partner with you guys. We do not consider you just a client. You will be a partner of ours. Anyways, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Hope you guys like this and have a great night.